Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna do a surprise for Leo. Actually I pick up what's going on, so we're gonna try to get it over quick, right? So he wanted a tablet for his birthday. We're in May now, so in March he wanted a tablet for his birthday because we sold his old one because it was slow. So basically we told him yes, you're gonna get it, but with the whole pandemic and everything was going on, we did delay and then the baby born and delay and all of those things. So we finally got him on the newer version of the Samsung tab. Samsung, I think I don't remember what version, but it's a 2019 version, newer. So what we're gonna do now to surprise him, we have the camera hide over here, so because it's really tricky if you're like a 5-year-old. So we have the tablet on his bed on the bottom, that blue one right there. We have the towel, we're gonna use it and cover it up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna tell him, keep telling him that, oh, you do something wrong, and then we're gonna send him to his room, because when we say we're disappointed with him or anything like that, he's very, very sad, and we send him to his room, we know say something serious, right? Send him to his bed very early. So that's what we're going to do on the camera over here. So I'm gonna record his reaction to it and we see how it goes. So he's very smart for his age, so he might pick up on a few things. So I'm gonna see if we can get this out of the way and see his reaction, catch him reaction. So let's go. Let me put this over here. Well, I'm gonna have to cover up the camera because you may see it. You guys can see over this properly. Yeah. Alright, let's go. What did Leo do? Leo comes to that way. Leo, weren't you over here looking at the window yesterday? And I told you go to the outside because they were over here. Did nothing. Match him up. You want me to do it? You want me to do it? Yeah, what is it? What is it? I told you yesterday not to go over there. Didn't I tell you that? I told you not to do it. Huh? Did you hear that? And so we took it. We go over there and say, go over the window. Where you move the rock slide? Move it. Yeah, I told you. Didn't I tell you not to trouble it? Didn't I tell you not to go over there? Don't do it again. Are you going to do it again?
No.
You know what you should do right now? You should go to your bed. Start lying down. Use the towel and cover up. Lift up the towel and cover up with the towel.
I just shooting.
Huh?
I was just shooting that.
Yeah, I was just joking. I was only joking.
That was what time was here, Dad.
That's your new tablet, bud.
Yes.
You like it?
Yes, Dad.
We pranked
I
you.
pranked you. I pranked you.
We pranked you.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Take
Take
it
it
off.
off.
Take it off charge. Unplug it.
Are
Take
you
out
going
the
to take
charger.
care of it?
Yes.
Take your time. Yeah. You gotta turn it on.
Where?
I don't know.
Yeah, look here. Look.
Look, is that right there? You got pranked. You're on camera. You
We
got
pranked you.
The pen right here.
Yeah, you got the pen.
Yeah, you got the pen.
And that's the stand.
Yes. It's their face.
Yeah.
Where's the turn on? Where?
Were you crying for real?
Yes.
I don't know what to turn it on.
I don't know.
Let me see.
That's one.
You got straps on it too.
Okay guys, so him in love with him tablet, as you know. Say hi to the camera, Leo.
Hi.
I got pranked.
Say I got pranked.
I got pranked. I got pranked.
Yes, so we're going to figure out how to turn it on because some
you
people
turn on this?
never
Oh, see
notice
from
how you
the
turn
side.
on before they put it in the case.
No, I'm find it, man. It's right here. It's right here. Go show the
Okay, that's
camera.
an awkward place to put a turn on button.
Your new camera, your new tablet.
Yes. Did you say thank you, mommy and daddy?
Thank you, mommy and daddy.
You're welcome. Put it on. Put on the strap.
And make sure you take care of it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna make the strap shorter.
Yeah.
So you can take it around with you.
Yes.
Wait, I just download something.
And
Alright,
bye,
guys.
YouTube.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna wrap it up now. Him love him tablet. We get him good. He was crying. But I try to compose myself because I laugh, he laugh, me I laugh. So we have to turn away my face. And yes. So I'm over there. Relax. Alright, say bye YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
I got pranked.
They're my bed. Up here. They're up top. And in the bottom.
Okay, yes, everybody see your bed.